Hi folks, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing how to quickly create a calendar invitation within Office 365 calendar. Okay, as you can see right now I am already in my calendar module of Office 365. However, if you need to find it, if you're doing this for the first time, if I move over here to the Office 365 toolbox, when I click on it, you'll see that you have a lot of different options here, and one of them is calendar. So you can just click that and you'll be in the same area that I am in now. And then really quickly, I'm going to go to where it says your calendars. And I'm just going to make sure that my calendar is selected. So this is me and this is my calendar. And I can start making my invitation. I'm going to go to new here and I'll just click on the arrow and we see calendar event. We'll select that. And then I'll be at my area where I can create an invitation. And as you can see, there are several things that I can do here in terms of adding in my details, adding the date, a brief message for the person that I'm inviting, as well as I can add in their email here. So let's go ahead and go through this for a second. It's always important to add a title. And let's say that this particular invitation will be to a member of a group, a student group that I'm in, and we're working on a project together. So I want to meet with them to work on some project details. So I'll just say group project planning meeting for my title, and I can also add a location. We'll just put school cafeteria, okay? And anywhere that you like to meet someone for a session or whatever the case may be, you can just add that place in here. All right, and then of course I need to add the date. And for this, I can say, let's say May 1st, for example. All right, and of course we'll say start May 1st and we'll end May 1st because let's say we want our meeting to be about 45 minutes. So also pay attention to the time here. So right now this is at night because it says PM, but we want to go ahead and make a morning meeting. So we'll say 9 a.m. And also if you notice, there are no 15-minute increments here. For example, 9:15, 9:45. But I can go ahead and add it in manually. So I'll just say 9:45 for the ending time. So 9 to 9:45 on May 1st. Okay. And you also have other choices here if you want something that's all day, if you're creating something that's all day, or you want it to be private. Okay, now if I want this to be something that repeats, maybe for this group project we need to meet all month. So maybe I can say I want this to be a weekly meeting. Okay, and you can say every day or every Monday, for example, every first Monday. But let's go here to where it says other, and maybe I can manually select something. So I'll say every, we want it to be weekly, and we want it to be every, let's say every Monday is fine, or you can select other days as well. So we'll just keep it at Monday. So repeating Monday, weekly, okay. And then we can also say if we're meeting for only a month, our project is a month, maybe we want Monday, May 1st to June 1st, okay, because after June 1st, maybe our project will be up. So maybe we just only need for this particular, so let's say Monday, May 1st to June. So let's go over to June and then June 1st, all right? And maybe we also want to be reminded. Sometimes we can be very forgetful. We have a lot of things going on. So let's say we want to be reminded 10 minutes before that meeting. Okay, so if my meeting is at 9 o'clock, at 8:50, I'll get a reminder, maybe a little pop-up message. Okay, I can also add an email reminder if I like. I can add a message here that can go to only me or all of the attendees. So me and the person that I'm inviting, we can receive an email reminder of this meeting. So we can do that as well. All right. And then I can also write a brief message so that the person that I'm inviting, they know what this invitation pertains to. So I can say this is an invitation to our first meeting in regards to project planning. Okay, and now that we've done all that, the final thing is actually adding that person's email. All right, so I have my suggested contacts that automatically pops up, and I can select one of those, or I can manually add someone's information in. Okay, and since this is just an example, I'm not going to actually send the invitation, but I can go ahead and add someone in and select. I'll just select me, for example, or so that we can see, because it shows me, but then it also shows attendees. Okay, so for example, I'll just add Mr. Penrod here. Okay, so and then it also says request responses. That basically means when this invitation is sent to Mr. Penrod, for example, to meet with me about my group project, request responses will let him know I would like to know if he would like to have this meeting, or maybe he wants to reschedule it. Maybe this particular time that I suggested is not good for him. So it just basically requests a response. All right. And so then I can go ahead and click send, and then I'm good to go. My calendar invitation has been created. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll just X here, and then I'll go ahead and click save. Okay. And as you can see, if I go to May 1st, it shows my group project here. And if I click on it, it'll show me a quick little detail here, and then I can expand it if I like. And you see something here. Okay, really simple. All right, thank you guys for watching.